Among all other land animals, pigs they have a very high, what? They have a high feed conversion ratio compared to cow, compared to let me explain what we mean by that. What I mean by that is that the number of feed that you give to your cow and that is required for your cow to give you 1 kg for body growth meat, is meat you need, right? Is higher than the amount of feed that your pig will eat and give you growth. That's why they grow very fast. That's why people like to farm pigs, because within a small time, a pig that is just a piglet now, place that feed under feed for 2 months, come back and check, it's now big. Under good condition, they have a very high feed conversion ratio, or what we call feed conversion efficiency, than other animals. Please, are you getting it? So this is the first reason why we grow pigs, nothing more. Higher than poultry, higher than goat farming, higher than cattle farming, higher than any other land animals. They grow very fast. High prolificity. See high prolificity. That's the second point. They have a high prolificity. Prolificity talks about the fact that they produce a lot of litters, large litters. Your goat, what's the max that your goat can give you? 4 is max, and this 4 is even if you are going maybe like all this wild goat, Kalahari goat, am I right? If you are growing this normal one is 2. It's always 2. Even some will give you 1, am I right? But pigs, 1 will give you 8, as many times. Another will give you 10. Another will give you 14. Another will give you 18. Another will give you 22. They can give birth to up to that. I mean, in 1 liter, there are pigs that can give you 40 piglets in 1 year. 40 is a lot for 1 pig in 1 year. High prolificity. The advantage of high litter is one of the reasons why we grow pigs. Look at another advantage. Short generation interval. Say short generation interval. What I mean by short generation interval is that you see between the giving birth, you get what I'm saying? Between birth to maturity to productivity, everything can happen in 1 year. Is that not amazing? A pig, I mean, if you buy a pig as piglet in January, by December that animal is giving birth. Buy it at 2 months, grow it for another 6 months or 5 months, am I right? Under good condition, that animal should have over 100 kg, depending on the genetics of the animal you are having. Cross the animal at 6 months, am I right? You are already like June or July already, am I? Yes, you are already like June already. Cross the animal at June. July, August, September, October, the animal will give you the first litter, October ending. Piglet of January is giving you 8 piglet or 10 or how many by October. That's a lot. If you buy the animal as a grower, the animal will give birth twice in a year. So there's a short generation interval between birth to farrowing to productivity. The margin is too small. So it helps the farmer to make money on time. Because what we call productivity in agribusiness is a function of time. Am I right? Time is a factor. You cannot wait forever. Imagine you want to buy a cow, a baby cow. When will you start making money? No. But look at pigs. Look at it. Another one. Pig is a more efficient carcass yielder. Say efficient carcass yielder than cattle, sheep, and goat. What do I mean by carcass yielder? Carcass yielder is talking about a more efficient carcass yielder is an animal that when you slaughter the animal, listen to me, the ratio of meat to bone is higher. You get more meat than bone in pigs. When you slaughter pig, a 100 kg pig, you slaughter a 100 kg other animals. By the time you look at the meat you are having in pig is more than the one you have, so it is a more efficient carcass yielder. The bones are not, the meats are much that you get from it. Am I right? Slaughter your goat, right? A big goat. How many meat do you see there? But slaughter a pig of 100 kg. Ratio of bone to meat. So pig is a more efficient carcass yielder. Another one advantage of pig farming: job creation and poverty eradication. Say poverty eradication. Oh, this is so true, very true. Somebody is asking you money every day, Just introduce the person to pig farming. Give me a little animal, let him start managing. The person will grow along the line. I just give an example. Or an example of how I was earning how much amount was this or how much. But I get to the point that they can pay me even while working in that organization. Listen to me, oh, I'm still working there, oh, but now people is giving me 200k. I collect 200k live my 3 months salary at once. That is the procedure that is bringing that person out of poverty. Do you understand what I'm saying? You can eradicate family poverty completely from your family with big family. I know of someone, the guy is in Dubai there. He runs a big farm as a family business. You take salary every month, you take they are just sharing money for them every month because the farming is a family business. Do you understand it? Go to Jos, go to Ogun State. We have many people that are doing this farming as a family business. Okay, our family, let's have a business. You if you want to do anything, you know, pick from farming. Anything you want to do, let it be from farming. Poverty what? Eradication, bringing people out of poverty. Big families are now. You can start. Money can be a limitation, listen to me before. But now, sometimes our mindset is a limitation. You mustn't start the way everybody is starting. Is that okay? The way Mr. Chinonso will start might not be the way Mr. Prince will start. Do you get what I'm saying? But the big family gives everybody an equal advantage to be able to grow. Am I right?